Ever called your bank or internet provider and heard press 1 for support, 2 for billing? That's IVR. And while most people think of it as just a phone menu, there's actually a lot more going on behind the scenes. What is IVR? IVR stands for Interactive Voice Response. It's a phone system that answers calls automatically before a human picks up. How does it work? Here's what's happening in the background. You call a business, the IVR greets you. It offers a few options. You respond with your voice or keypad, it routes your call, or handles the task itself, all in a matter of seconds. Why does it matter? Because it saves time for both you and the business. It helps customers solve simple problems on their own. It routes urgent calls to the right person, and it keeps support teams from drowning in repeat questions. If you've ever waited 15 minutes just to ask, "What are your hours?" you know why this matters. Modern IVR, what's changed? Today's systems are way smarter. They can recognize what you say, not just what you press. They can pull up your account info before you talk to an agent. They can even offer to call you back later so you're not stuck on hold. Some systems use AI to improve with every call. Which tools do this well? Here are 4 worth knowing about. CloudTalk, great for small to mid-sized teams. You can build smart call flows with drag and drop tools. No dev team needed. It connects with CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce, and even routes based on language or customer history. Nextiva, ideal if you want something simple and stable. Set it up once and it just works. Perfect for solo founders or small support teams. 5.9, designed for big contact centers. It handles advanced routing, visual IVR, and even AI agents. It's powerful, then built to scale. Twilio Studio, built for developers. If you want to customize everything using APIs and logic flows, Twilio gives you full control. But be warned, there's a learning curve. Ready to try IVR if you're thinking, this sounds useful, but I don't know where to start? That's what we're here for. At CloudTalk, we'll help you set up an IVR system that actually works fast, no jargon, no mess, just results. Want more tips like this? Hit subscribe or check out more tools on the CloudTalk blog. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
CloudTalk.